What is the purpose of ethics in accounting? The purpose of ethics in accounting is to set boundaries for the accounting profession beyond what the law states. This is necessary because in accounting there are gray areas and room for discretion, and proper ethics ensures that accountants make the right judgment calls. Ethics is a shield. An accounting professional should have proper personal ethical traits to shield themselves and the investing public from materially misstated financial statements. Proper ethical character shields the accountant from pressure from superiors, pressure from clients, and their own self-interest. It protects the accountant from going down a slippery slope of compromising their integrity. If you start compromising your integrity little by little, it becomes easy to rationalize escalating misconduct. In order to maintain high ethics, it is important to adhere to GAP, to the AICPA Code of Conduct, and to go even further to maintain a high reputation so as not to risk losing the trust of the public that relies on our work. As accounting professionals, our ultimate obligation is to the public interest. Why it matters. The investing public relies on accurate and fairly presented financial statements, which serve as a window into a company's economic health and performance. Investors and financial institutions look at reported financial statements and base their decisions on the information in these financial statements. It is critical for accountants to be independent judges and reliable sources for this information. Another reason ethics is important to the accounting professional is because there are several severe consequences for being unethical, as we've seen in many cases. Being unethical can potentially lead to fraud, which can cause jail time due to legal liabilities, loss of jobs, loss of savings, investment money, and an overall tarnished reputation for the accounting profession. Compromising ethics and subordinating judgment for the purposes of gaining immediate short-term benefits can lead to long-term critical damage.
How a professional walks the ethical walk in order to protect ourselves and the public from these consequences. Know yourself and our personal values. Have moral sensitivity to be aware of potential threats such as familiarity, advocacy, and self-review. Be prepared for potentially unethical situations. Be able to make the proper ethical judgments. We should continually work on our ethical traits: honesty, integrity, objectivity, selflessness, and trustworthiness. Use giving voice to values to communicate your position. We need to be involved in an organization that aligns with our values. We want a high fit with the organizational culture. We want to find an organization with a good tone at the top that will support us as we try to act ethically and reward ethical behavior. And most importantly, listen to your gut.
Now that we know the role of ethics in accounting, there are some personal key takeaways we'd like to remember as we start our careers in accounting. Stay true to yourself. Know that your work affects others. Find the right organizational fit. Do the right thing. Do not be afraid to speak up. And tone at the top is very important.
That's all, folks.